unboxing, or pretty much wrapping it, an unwrapping of the most awaited album in the entire year for a lot of people. Or since the last album that she had, Tension, by Kylie Minogue. And I would like to mention the names of the song. Padam Padam, of course, is the first one, and was released, I believe, on the 18th of May of this year, of course. And I believe that one is the one that you can hear is One More Time. But anyway, the next one is Hold On To Now, Things We Do For Love, Tension, One More Time, which is the one we just heard, You Still Get Me High, an amazing song, Hands, Green Light, Vegas High, 10 out of 10 with Oliver Heldens, Story, Love Train, Just Imagine, and Somebody To Love. And I think, let me see, that Story, amazing song. But anyway, I pre-ordered this album back in May, and it arrived yesterday. I live in Philly, and I'm a very busy person. As a matter of fact, you might see a cat jump on the table or something. There's plenty of cats. I've got kids. I take care of an elderly person. So I don't have much time for stuff like this. So when it arrived, I was like, okay, I just want to do an amazing unboxing on this thing. And oh geez, I don't have the scissors. But anyway, I'll just do it with my hands because it's okay. And as a matter of fact, I was so surprised about the beautiful booklet that I was like, oh, maybe I should just leave it the way it is and just keep listening to streaming, keep streaming the album. But I said no, I just gotta look at what this thing looks like inside, because this is awesome. And my kitten is around, and he's like the one that I did with my Padam Padam video in TikTok. And he's around. And so it's a lot of people don't know, but that kitten is an uncle to a 2-year-old cat that I have. He's the uncle. Anyway, so removing the wrapper. And wow, this is beautiful actually. As you can see, it says Kylie Tension. Kylie, okay? Not Kylie Minogue. It doesn't need to be mentioned. She's Kylie, and everybody's Kylie. So this is everybody's awaited album. This is a legendary album, as a matter of fact. Kylie is 55, and by this age, a lot of mainstream singers have just quit. Kylie's still going. As you can see, this is an amazing, beautiful display that looks like emeralds. But anyway, as you can see, there's this beautiful diamond drawing. As you can see over here is Padam Padam, Hold On To Now, Things We Do For Love, all the lyrics. There's that beautiful picture of her. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this is one of the most beautiful pictures of her that I've seen. I actually own the concert album. It's beautiful, and this is what follows. Well, there you go. He's a Mozart. He's one of my babies, and of course under the table there's another one. So yeah. Oh, baby, come on. There you go. Okay. So over here there's the lyrics for Tension, One More Time, You Still Get Me High, Hands. This is a beautiful picture, Kylie, in rainbow colors. Beautiful for the pride people. I'm a pride person. I'm happy, actually, very happy, because Kylie is a gay icon, or a pride icon, whatever you want to call it. So Green Light, Vegas High. Vegas High, 10 out of 10 in Story. I have a cat with 3 legs. Back in the pandemic, he came with his leg chopped off. It was chopped in different places, so we had to get it amputated with the, VSAC, the veterinarian. But anyway, Anyway, so Love Train, Just Imagine, and Somebody to Love are over here, and of course, we have the credits. Now, I'm very, it says, thank you. Oh, it says thank you. It's a thank you note. To everyone who worked on this album, your creativity, care, and heart resonate throughout. Thank you. To those who were closest to me by my side or never far away during the making of this album, thank you with all my heart for your love, support, and encouragement. To all the lovers, that's us, and fans, wherever you're in the world, and I'm in Philly, thank you for being there with open arms, hearts, and minds. Looking forward to sharing this new music with you and creating more memories. To my family, I love you, Kylie. And oh my goodness, this is a beautiful picture of her, as you can see. I'm just really happy that I was able to share this with others, because an unboxing of the most awaited album of Kylie, I have to say, and of course of the year, of the decade. I mean, and of course this and the CD is over here. And oh my god, it's so beautiful, as you can see. And of course, I may not even put this in my computer at all, because I'm guessing I already have the tracks, because I bought them in 3 different formats. I bought the album in the Apple store, in the Apple Music store. I also bought it in mp3caprice.com. I bought it in Amazon. And pretty much any form that it could be purchased, you know, just to support Kylie and to show my support for her wonderful work. The only thing I can't get my hands on is Kylie wines, and I would love to get my hands on Kylie wines. But anyway, this is absolutely beautiful, wonderful, and I'm just really happy that you guys have been part of my unboxing. Now, oh, the kitties made the table a little dirt. Either way, so one of the things I wanted to also say, and I want to make my video too like sickly long, but anyway, the songs, oh my goodness, everybody knows Padam Padam, to be honest with you, and most people also know Tension. Tension is an amazing track, so is Padam Padam, and there's really not much to say about them, because when it all comes down to it, okay, you don't walk on my keys, you're gonna stop my music. Yeah. Come here, boo. This is another one, this is a girl, but anyway. So, I really absolutely love the feeling of the song Hands. Oh my god, absolutely beautiful. But anyway, right now Vegas High is playing, so I couldn't. But anyway, Story, Hands. These one-word songs are absolutely amazing. Oh, using the litter box, he is. And Things We Do for Love, amazing track. Hold On To Now. I keep saying this everywhere I post. Hold On To Now should have been the opening track for the entire album. I don't know why they didn't do it. I think they pretty much said, okay, Padam Padam has been a banger, and let's just put it first. I believe Hold On To Now should have opened the album. Padam Padam should have been following. And of course, the rest of the song, it tells a beautiful story. My least favorite used to be, I'm gonna say this, Love Train used to be my least favorite. It grew on me within a day or two. And then Green Light became my least favorite of all. A lot of people are going to be upset about this. I know it's a favorite among a lot of people, but Green Light is just, I'm not feeling the vibe on that one. Love Train is a fun track that a lot of people they say is probably the worst one in the album. But honestly, it grew on me within 3 listens. Love Train was already taking over the place where Green Light was for me. Vegas High is an amazing track, and of course, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 grabbed me immediately when I first heard it online. I heard it in YouTube, and it grabbed me immediately. Padam Padam was an immediate grabber Tension was an immediate grabber. Story, immediate. I absolutely love how the album finishes with Just Imagine and Somebody to Love, because it tells an entire story. The entire album, it's carefully arranged in a way so that you can tell the story from the beginning to the end. The only issue is that I would definitely switch Padam for Hold On To Now. But that's pretty much it. I give, of course, if I could give 10 out of 10, this album would get it. For of course 5-star scoring systems, it would be 5 stars either way. And I saw that it has 4.5 stars in Apple Music. So I really hope that people, and unfortunately about 85 to 90% of the reviews were done in May. I really wish that people would just listen to the entire album now, rather than just, they need to revise the reviews that were posted back in May based on Padam. Most people in the Apple Music Store have not reviewed the album since May. So it would be great for everyone if you wrote a review for Tension for the album in May or June. It's time to go back and just revise it, because you really need to give an insight on what's included in the entire album, not just based on Padam or Tension. So to everyone, I highly recommend this album from Kylie Minogue. I have other albums right now. I don't have them with me. They're in boxes because I have a lot of things I have to keep in boxes to keep the kitties from destroying them. So for now, by the way, I'm just kidding. Hey boy. Hi boy. Come on boy. Alright, you're fine. There he is. The three-legged cat. And my hands are cold, so he's complaining. He's like, no, I don't want to be part of your video. How could you? But anyway, hi sweetie. No, the girl won't come. Okay, well, thank you for watching. And basically, yeah, get your copy of the Tension album today. You're gonna love it.